Hello, my name is Daniel, and today I want to share an important message with you. Never give up. Life is like a long journey. Sometimes it is smooth and easy, and other times it is filled with obstacles and challenges. But no matter what, it is important to keep going and never lose hope. When we have dreams or goals, it's natural to face difficulties along the way. We might feel tired, sad, or even think, I can't do this. But let me remind you, just like a baby learns to walk by falling many times and standing up again, we must also keep trying. Every time a baby falls, they don't quit. They try until they succeed. Our dreams are just like that. They require effort, patience, and persistence. Think of a seed planted in the soil. Does it grow into a tree the very next day? No. It takes time, water, sunlight, and care. Slowly but surely, the seed grows into a strong tree. In the same way, our dreams take time and effort to grow. They need our hard work and determination. Sometimes we fail, and that's okay. Failing is not the end, it's a lesson. Imagine a scientist conducting an experiment. If it doesn't work, do they stop? No, they learn from their mistakes and try again. We must be like that scientist. Learn from what went wrong, adjust, and move forward. History is full of examples of great people who never gave up. For instance, Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed over 1,000 times before he succeeded. Most people would have stopped trying, but Edison believed in his dream and kept going. Finally, he achieved his goal. Another example is Michael Jordan, the famous basketball player. He once said, I have missed more than 9,000 shots and lost almost 300 games. But that's why I succeed. His failures made him stronger and more determined. Let me share another inspiring story. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced rejection from many publishers. She had little money and struggled a lot, but she never gave up. Finally, one publisher said yes, and today millions of people love her books. What if she had stopped trying? We wouldn't have the magical world of Harry Potter. Now, let's talk about you. Yes, you. What are your dreams? Do you want to be a doctor, a teacher, or an artist? Whatever your goal is, you can achieve it if you work hard and never give up. Challenges will come your way, but they are just stepping stones to success. Let me tell you about Nick Vance. He was born without arms and legs. Life is very hard for him, but he didn't let that stop him. He learned to swim, type, and even surf. Nick now travels the world to inspire others. He says, if I fail, I try again and again. If Nick can overcome his challenges, so can you. Sometimes, we need help to achieve our dreams, and that's okay. Don't be afraid to ask your family, friends, or teachers for support. They care about you and want to see you succeed. Asking for help shows that you are serious about your goals and willing to work hard. Words also have great power. Positive words can make you feel strong, while negative words can weaken you. When you wake up, try saying, I will do my best today, or I am learning and growing. These words will fill you with energy and motivation. Avoid saying things like, I can't do this, or it's too hard. Instead, say, I'm improving, or mistakes help me learn. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and that's how we grow. Life is a journey, and it may be long and difficult, but with a positive attitude and persistence, you can reach your goals. Never give up. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Keep going, stay strong, and believe in yourself. Staying focused. Focus is one of the most important skills you need to reach your dreams. When you focus, you give your full attention to what you are doing, and that helps you succeed. Think about when you are learning something new, like English. If your mind is distracted, it becomes harder to learn. For example, if you look at your phone every 5 minutes or keep chatting with friends, your focus will break and you won't learn as much. Staying focused means setting aside distractions and giving all your attention to your goal. Point one way to stay focused is to make a plan. A plan helps you know what to do, when to do it, and how long to spend on each task. For example, if you want to practice English, your plan could include 30 minutes of reading, 20 minutes of speaking, and 10 minutes of writing. With a clear plan, you can use your time wisely. But remember, even the best plans don't always go perfectly. Sometimes, unexpected things happen. Maybe you feel tired, or something comes up at home. That's okay. Life can be unpredictable. The key is to stay flexible and return to your plan when you can. When you focus, it's also important to take breaks. Working for hours without resting can make you feel tired and less productive. Instead, study or work for 25 to 30 minutes, then take a short break. During your break, walk around, drink water, or just relax. This will help your brain recharge so you can focus better. Another way to stay focused is to believe in yourself. Sometimes we think, I can't do this. It's too hard. But that's not true. You can do anything if you believe in yourself. Positive thoughts like, I will try again, or I'm getting better every day, can help you stay motivated and focused. Did you know that athletes practice focus every day? They train hard and stay committed to their goals. For example, a runner doesn't just run once a week. They practice daily, even when it's hard. They believe that every small step brings them closer to success. You can apply this same mindset to your learning. Small goals can also help you focus. For example, if you want to learn 10 new English words in a week, focus on that goal. When you achieve it, you will feel proud and motivated to set another goal. These small achievements build up over time and lead to big successes. Fear can sometimes make it hard to stay focused. Maybe you're afraid of making mistakes or looking silly. But remember, mistakes are part of learning. Even great people like Michael Jordan made mistakes. What matters is that you learn from them and keep going. Lastly, stay focused on the positive. If you find something difficult, don't think, this is too hard. Instead, think, I'm improving every day. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Maybe today you learned one new word or understood a sentence better than before. These small victories show that you are moving forward. Staying focused is not always easy, but it is worth it. It helps you achieve your dreams, one step at a time. Remember, you have the power to focus, learn, and grow. Keep going and never stop believing in yourself. The power of PTINE patience is a skill that helps us stay calm and keep trying, even when things are slow or difficult. When you are learning something new, like a language, patience is your best friend. Learning takes time, just like growing a tree. Imagine planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and wait. It doesn't become a tall tree overnight. It grows little by little, and you must be patient. Your learning journey is just like that. Sometimes we want quick results. We want to learn everything in one day, but that's not possible. If you rush, you might get frustrated and feel like giving up. Instead, take small steps. Focus on learning one thing at a time. For example, learn 5 new words today, and tomorrow, practice using them in sentences. Mistakes are a part of learning, and patience helps us accept them. When you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Instead, see it as a chance to learn something new. Every mistake brings you closer to success. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. It's easy to look at others and think, they are better than me, but comparisons won't help. Focus on your own progress. Maybe today you can understand a word you didn't know last week. That's growth, and it's something to be proud of. Have you noticed that when you rush, things often go wrong? For example, if you try to finish your homework too quickly, you might make mistakes. But when you take your time and stay calm, you do a better job. Patience helps you focus and succeed. Patience is also about staying calm when things don't go as planned. Maybe a lesson is hard, or you don't understand something right away. It's okay to feel frustrated, but don't let that frustration stop you. Take a deep breath, try again, and ask for help if you need it. Remember, everyone needs help sometimes. Think about a time when you learned something difficult, like riding a bike or swimming. At first, it was hard, and you might have fallen or felt scared. But you kept trying, and eventually, you succeeded. Learning English or any new skill is the same. It takes time and effort, but you will get there if you don't give up. One way to practice patience is to set small, daily goals. For example, you can decide to learn 5 new words each day or practice speaking for 10 minutes. These small steps add up and help you see progress over time. When you achieve these goals, you feel more confident and motivated to keep going. Patience also means trusting the process. Sometimes, we don't see results right away, but that doesn't mean we're not improving. Think about planting a flower. You don't see it grow every day, but after a few weeks, you notice it blooming. Your efforts will pay off, even if it takes time. Another important part of patience is not being too hard on yourself. If you make a mistake, don't say, I'm terrible at this. Instead, say, I'm learning, and this mistake will help me improve. Be kind to yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. When you are patient, you can enjoy the journey of learning. Instead of worrying about how far you have to go, focus on what you can do today. Trust that with time and effort, you will achieve your goals. Remember, patience is not about waiting. It's about how you act while you're waiting. Keep going, stay calm, and believe in yourself. Patience is your superpower, and it will help you succeed. The power of habits are the small actions we do every day without even thinking. Some habits are good, like brushing your teeth, and some are bad, like eating too much junk food. But if you build good habits, they can help you achieve your goals. When you're learning something, like English, having good habits is very important. You can't learn a new language by practicing once a week. You need to make it a part of your daily life. For example, you can practice speaking for 10 minutes every day or learn 5 new words each day. These small habits will make a big difference over time. Start small. Don't try to do too much at once. If you say, I'm going to study for 3 hours every day, you might feel tired and give up. Instead, start with 15 or 20 minutes. Once that becomes easy, you can add more time. The key is to be consistent. Doing a little bit every day is better than doing a lot once in a while. Another way to build good habits is to make learning fun. If you enjoy what you're doing, it won't feel like work. For example, you can watch English movies or listen to English songs. You can play games that help you learn new words or practice with a friend. When learning is fun, you'll want to do it more often. Reviewing what you've learned is also a good habit. If you learn something new, practice it again the next day. The more you review, the better you'll remember it. For example, if you learn 10 new words today, write them down and review them tomorrow. This helps your brain remember better. Sometimes it's hard to stay consistent. Life gets busy, and you might miss a day. That's okay. Don't feel bad or give up. Just start again the next day. Building habits takes time, and it's normal to make mistakes. What matters is that you keep trying. A great habit to have is setting goals. Goals give you something to work toward. For example, you can set a goal to learn 50 new words in a month or to have a short conversation in English by the end of the week. When you achieve your goals, celebrate your success. This will make you feel good and motivate you to keep going. Remember, good habits are the foundation of success. When you make learning a habit, it becomes easier and more enjoyable. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and watch how much you improve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our lessons. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.